Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for August the 2nd to the 8th. We have dollar items. We have a lot of new delightful little cheap deals. I didn't see an overall booster for a digital one show up for me, but the Tide deal is back this week, so we're going to be rocking and rolling those deals specifically, but it's going to be a really great week. So on Wednesday, these appeared. It's $10 back when you spend $25 on Walgreens brand vitamins, snooze, and then a $15 back when you spend $45 on P&G items, valid from the 2nd to the 8th. That one typically in store also works of a spend $35 to earn back $7. We'll have to investigate that one on Sunday in store, but curbside with the codes, that might be the way to go for the bottom one, especially for Tide. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of your digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, August the 2nd. We are simply previewing deals in this video. Guys, could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype it. I would be so grateful, especially if you could do both. I'd be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and this video if you can do both. If not, just give it a big old thumbs up. Just a reminder, the Dollar General clearance event is going on right till Thursday, August the 6th. I think a lot of shoppers have Dollar General clearance event fatigue. They're not going out. This might be your opportunity to score the big bonanza. Watch the video linked at the very end. Even if you're a really serious pharmacy shopper, maybe it's time to get out to the Dollar General and try a couple deals. I think I found 3 freebies. It's totally worth it. Dollar Dove shampoo is back. So we're going to be looking for the little $5 friends. We're going to have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Very easy deal. 2 of those shampoos for $10. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Dove. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And let's be frank, unless you have a paper booster, most of these deals you can use Walgreens cash this week because most of us don't have that digital booster. Irish Spring and Soft Soap body or hand soap is $5.99 with a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon. $2 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 at $5.99, that's $11.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $8.48. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.48 for the 2 or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The big hand soap refills for $3.24, not a bad little deal. For this one, we're going to be looking for the Axe Fancy, not the cheapest ones at $7.49, because that 7 off a 2 I think is only going to attach to the fancier line as the pictures show. Buy one, get one 50% off at $9.99. That's $14.98 for 2 Axe Fancies. Subtracting that 7 off a 2 coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $3 register reward for buying 2, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $2.49 per Axe. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, so the Crest at $3.50 or the Oral-B at $3.50. Here's the deal to get these guys for 16 cents. You're going to grab them in increments of 3 for $10.50, and we have that 5 off a 3 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. You will pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but that's a stock up price. Another great deal is the $4.50 Colgate Dental Care with the 4 off a 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $9. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. I do love the Colgate Optic White, so hopefully it's included. Not sure if this is a typo or what. I think it's maybe the Listerine spray for $3, but a $4 register reward when you buy two. Grabbing two of the cheapest sprays at $3 a unit, two of them would be $6. Getting back that $4 register reward, it's 2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but it's like strong. It's like putting jet fuel in your mouth, these Listerine sprays. So just be warned, it's a very strong breath spray if you've never tried it. And the $8, it's either the Olay or the Old Spice. We have a 5 off of 3 for both the Olay and the Old Spice. So if you did Olay last week and you want to do Old Spice, by all means, or if you want to do it the opposite way, if you did Old Spice the week previous. 3 of them would be 24. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying 19. Getting back an $8 register reward. It makes it 11 for the 3 or $3.66 per. Keep your receipt in case IBOTTA might have a rebate for either Old Spice or Olay. It makes it really cheap considering they're usually $8. Another great deal is the $8.99, probably the Mach 3, and then just the $9.99 Venus, the two cheapest ones. And I think we usually have $3 digitals to go with both. So grabbing one of each, it would be $18.98. Subtracting two $3 coupons, you're going to pay $12.98. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. Now, if we only have a 5 off of 2, I'm not sure if I would do this deal, so we'll have to wait and see what Sunday provides. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Buy one, get one 50% off on Secret deodorant with an $8 reward when you buy 4. Do not do this with the body wash deal because I think it's on the same promotion because it's the same manufacturer. And I think it's going to be a 7 off of 2 coupon that we get. Over on IBOTTA, there's a $4 rebate when you buy 3. So we're going to have to grab 4 of the Secret deodorants. I think there's one at $8.79, and I think it will attach with that IBOTTA rebate. So 4 of those would be $26.37. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $19.37, get back an $8 register reward, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA, making it $7.37 for the 4 or $1.84 per. This is not a bad deal. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $8 register reward. One paper deal that I like, I think probably between the Angel Soft and the Brawny, we're going to get maybe like $1.50 to $2 of digital coupons. We'll have to wait and see on Sunday, but grabbing one of each, it would be $13.98 at $6.99 a unit. Let's hope for that $1.50 in digital coupons. You would pay $12.48, get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's talk quickly about honorable mention. First one goes to Neutrogena Hair, and it's spend $20 to earn back a $10 reward. Buy one, get one 50% off. Neutrogena had a whole series of hair products for the longest time. They discontinued it, and now these hair restores are there. Just kind of curious what this is all about. If there's some high value coupons, maybe it's a great deal. The Tide deal this week, a $2 reward when you buy 4. Absolutely not. Is that a typo? Is it supposed to be a 5-pack when you buy 4? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Great deal that we have is a buy 2, get 2 for free, and Coke and Pepsi are included in this. So that is very interesting. I'm assuming you can mix and match. It's usually one or the other, but that's an interesting one. And we have a buy one, get one free on the Walgreens brand almonds and cashews. Chocolate covered almonds. Wow. And then just the plains that are 2 for $5 or $2.50 per unit, more snacks. And finally, a buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags, making it 93 cents per box of 20, stock up price. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.